Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download license in Envato. Alright, so first up, before downloading anything from Envato right here, make sure that you safe list your channel or videos. Okay, so to safe list, just go ahead over to your profile at the very top. Now go ahead over to claim clear right here. Just go ahead and click on it, and then make sure as well that you're currently subscribed to Envato. Okay, and once that's done, as you can see here, once you're subscribed, you'll be able to add up to 3 channels and also individual videos. So to safe list the channel, click on add right here and write down your channel URL or copy and paste it. And if you got a content ID claim, you can clear it by adding your video URL right here. All right. So if you want to download a license, let's say you already got a content ID or any other copyright claims, you could just go ahead over to your profile and then go ahead over to My Downloads. And then you'll be able to see the audio right here specifically. Just browse through it and then click on View Licenses. Now, if the download was from your Envato subscription, you'll be able to see a PDF file download right here. Go ahead and download it. It could be either a license certificate and purchase code or just a text. Copy and paste it to the claim. It could be by YouTube. All right. And by the way, you could go ahead over to the top right here and click on license from your home page and then read through the FAQs right here. And that's how easy it is to download license in Envato. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.